So, I found for you 7 beginner-friendly apps that anyone can use to start earning PayPal cash every single day. And since each of these apps are completely free, there's really no excuse why you can't start earning some PayPal cash today. So, let's get right into the 7 apps. Now, before you start earning some PayPal cash, you of course need a PayPal account. And luckily, if you sign up for PayPal and spend $5 in your first 30 days, you can earn $10 for free deposited directly into your PayPal account. In order for this to work though, you will need to use my affiliate link, which I'll have in the description of this video. So, definitely check that out if you're new to PayPal, because hey, free money is free money, right? It's a fantastic way to kickstart your earnings. Now, if you already have a PayPal account, you're still in luck. You can come over to the app and click on the bottom right here where it says Menu, and then you want to click where it says Rewards. Now inside of here you will receive a special link that you can share with your friends and your family. Then, anytime someone uses that link, you will receive $10 every time they sign up and actually spend $5 with their PayPal account. It's a win-win for everyone involved, and another easy way to boost that PayPal balance. Let's dive into the apps. Alright, so kicking things off with our first app, we have App. This one is particularly interesting because it taps into a resource you're already paying for, but probably not fully utilizing your internet bandwidth. The core idea behind App is that it allows you to share your unused internet connection with businesses for various data tasks, and in return, you get paid. It's a genuinely passive way to make some extra cash because once you set it up, it just runs in the background without you having to do much of anything at all. You download the app, install it on your device, typically a computer or an Android phone, and then you just let it run. App essentially rents out your idle bandwidth to vetted companies for things like web scraping, data collection, or market research. They're very clear about privacy and security, ensuring your personal data isn't compromised. The amount you earn can vary depending on a few factors like your internet speed and location. Also, the number of devices you have running the app can increase your earnings. For Android and Windows users, this is a fantastic option. The earnings might not make you rich overnight, but it's truly passive. Think about it, you're getting paid for something you're already doing, which is being connected to the internet. The setup process is usually very simple. You create an account, download the software, install it, and link it to your PayPal account for payouts. So, if you're looking for a way to generate some effortless PayPal cash, and you have compatible devices, App is definitely worth checking out. Next up we have an app called Pawns.app, which is quite similar in one respect to App, but it actually offers a bit more versatility in how you can earn. Just like App, Pawns.app allows you to share your internet connection for passive income. But here's where Pawns.app starts to differentiate itself, and why it's a solid contender on our list. Beyond just the passive internet sharing, Pawns.app also offers other ways to boost your earnings, specifically through paid surveys, and even playing games. This means if you have some downtime and want to be a bit more active in your earning, you can hop into the app and complete a few surveys, or try out some sponsored games for additional rewards. The surveys are pretty standard. You give your opinions on various topics, products, or services, and the games might involve reaching certain levels or playing for a specific amount of time. Pawns.app typically has a payout threshold, often around $5, which is relatively low and achievable. The amount you can earn from internet sharing will, again, depend on factors like your location, internet speed, and how long you keep the app running. One of the appealing aspects of Pawns.app is its global availability. They also emphasize security and privacy, ensuring that your data and connection are handled responsibly. So, if you like the idea of passive income from your internet, but also want the option to earn more by taking surveys or playing games, Pawns.app is a really strong candidate. It combines the best of both worlds. Alright, moving on to our third app, let's talk about Eureka. This one is a bit different from the first two as it primarily focuses on more active ways to earn, but it has some really cool features, especially when it comes to getting paid. Eureka is best known as a survey app, but it often has other ways to rack up points that you can then convert into PayPal cash, and the keyword here for many is payouts. The primary way to earn with Eureka is by taking surveys. These are your typical market research questionnaires, where companies want your opinions on new products, services, advertisements, or general consumer trends. The length and payout for each survey can vary, but Eureka is pretty good at matching you with relevant surveys, which can save you some time and frustration. But Eureka doesn't just stop at surveys. Depending on your location and the offers available, you might also find opportunities to earn by playing games or even by doing things like checking in at certain stores or scanning receipts. Now, the big draw for Eureka, and something that users consistently praise, is the instant payouts to PayPal. Once you reach the minimum threshold, which is often quite low, you can cash out, and the money typically appears in your PayPal account almost immediately. Eureka also often has daily polls or quick earning opportunities that just take a few seconds to complete, adding small amounts to your balance that accumulate over time. So, if you enjoy sharing your opinions, don't mind engaging with apps to earn, and really value the idea of getting your money quickly, Eureka is definitely an app you should download and try out. Alright, let's shift gears a bit with our fourth app, Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. If you do any online shopping, and let's be honest, most of us do, then Rakuten is an absolute must-have. This app doesn't pay you for tasks or sharing bandwidth. Instead, it gives you cashback on purchases you're already making. Think of it as getting an automatic discount on almost everything you buy online. The way Rakuten works is incredibly simple and quite genius. Retailers pay Rakuten a commission for sending customers to their websites. Rakuten then shares a portion of that commission with you in the form of cashback. To use Rakuten, you can either go through their app or website before you shop, or you can install their browser extension, which is what I highly recommend. The extension will automatically alert you if cashback is available when you visit a retailer's site. You just click a button to activate the cashback offer, and then you shop as you normally would. The cashback percentages vary by store and can range from 1% or 2% all the way up to 10%, 15%, or even more during special promotions. Rakuten partners with thousands of stores, including major retailers like Amazon, Target, Walmart, Macy's, and so many more. Rakuten pays out your accumulated cashback quarterly, either via PayPal or a physical check. They call it the Big Fat Check. They also often have sign-up bonuses for new members, where you can get an extra $10 or $20 back after your first qualifying purchase, which is a great way to start. So if you're not using Rakuten, you're literally leaving money on the table every time you shop online. Our fifth app, Premise, offers a more active and somewhat adventurous way to earn PayPal cash. This app essentially pays you to be a local contributor, completing small tasks around your city or town. These tasks often involve using your smartphone's camera and GPS, and it's kind of like being a mini field researcher. The types of tasks you'll find on Premise can vary quite a bit. Many of them involve observational data collection. For example, you might be asked to take a photo of a specific business like a local grocery store or a bank. Other tasks could include verifying the price of a particular item in a shop, checking if a certain promotional display is visible, or even just photographing public infrastructure like a bus stop or a park bench. Each task will have a specific set of instructions and a corresponding payout, usually ranging from a few cents to several dollars depending on the complexity and time involved. Once you complete a task and it's approved, the earnings are added to your Premise account. You can then cash out to PayPal once you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, which is typically quite reasonable. So, if you're someone who enjoys exploring, doesn't mind taking photos, and wants a flexible way to earn some extra cash, Premise is definitely worth investigating. Alright, for our sixth app, we're diving into the world of mystery shopping with GigSpot. Now, GigSpot isn't an app in itself, but rather a platform or aggregator that connects you with various mystery shopping companies and their available gigs or assignments. Many of these companies do have their own apps you'll use once you sign up for specific jobs. Mystery shopping involves visiting specific businesses, like restaurants, retail stores, banks, or even fitness studios, and posing as a regular customer. Your job is to observe and report on various aspects of your experience, such as customer service, cleanliness, product availability, or adherence to company standards. GigSpot makes it easier to find these opportunities by bringing listings from multiple mystery shopping providers into one place. You can create a profile, browse available assignments in your area, and apply for the ones that interest you. The pay for mystery shopping gigs can also vary significantly, often depending on the complexity of the assignment and the time required. Some simple shops might pay $5 to $10, while more involved ones, like those requiring a meal purchase, which is often reimbursed, or a detailed report, could pay $20, $50, or even more. One of the perks of mystery shopping, beyond the direct payment, is that you often get to enjoy free products or services. Payments are typically made via PayPal after your report has been reviewed and approved. So, if you have a good eye for detail, enjoy experiencing different businesses, and can write clear, objective reports, mystery shopping through platforms like GigSpot could be an excellent way to earn PayPal cash. Last but certainly not least, for our seventh method, we're going right to the source, the PayPal app itself. Many people use PayPal daily for sending and receiving money or making online purchases, but you might not realize that PayPal has its own built-in reward system that can help you earn even more cash back, often on top of other rewards you might be getting. Inside the PayPal app, and sometimes on their website, you can find a section often labeled Deals, Offers, or Rewards. Here, PayPal partners with various merchants to provide exclusive cashback offers or discounts when you shop with those merchants and pay using your PayPal account. The way it typically works is you'll need to activate the offer within the PayPal app before you make your purchase. You simply browse the available deals, find one you like, say, 5% cashback at a particular online store, click to activate it, and then when you complete your purchase at that store using PayPal as your payment method, the cashback is automatically tracked and later credited to your PayPal balance. What's really powerful about PayPal rewards is the potential for stacking. This is where you can combine multiple discounts or cashback offers on a single purchase. For example, you might activate a PayPal cashback offer for a store, and that store might also be offering cashback through Rakuten, our app number 4. If you use a cashback credit card linked to your PayPal, you could earn rewards from the card issuer too. This is how savvy shoppers really maximize their savings. These PayPal offers can cover a wide range of categories from retail and restaurants to travel and entertainment. The key is to make it a habit to check the rewards section before you make any significant purchases online or even in-store if PayPal is an accepted payment method. So don't overlook the power of the PayPal app itself as an earning tool. So there you go, 7 different ways to earn PayPal cash with just free apps on your phone. Hopefully you found at least a few new options in this list that you can start using today to see that PayPal balance grow. Remember, consistency is key with many of these, and even small amounts can add up significantly over time, especially when you're using multiple apps. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to smash that like button and more importantly, subscribe to the channel because I'm always looking for fun, innovative, new ways to make money online, save money, and invest wisely. We cover a lot of ground here, and my goal is to help you achieve your financial goals, whatever they may be. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you this kind of content. For instance, I made a video recently talking about 7 different ways to earn Bitcoin for free. If you're interested in the crypto space and want to get some Bitcoin without actually buying it, that's a video you definitely don't want to miss. If you want to check out that video, make sure to click on it right here on the end screen, and I'll see you there in just 1 second. Thanks for watching.